Good afternoon, my name is Diana Wilson and I'll be focusing on the futuristic lens. My first source that I used was the Urban Sprawl Greeting Card for Sale by Eva Folks. And although this doesn't contain any information, it does provide a visual of how urbanization might be imagined by people. And this and the second source both are in my first paragraph. The second source provides a real-life example of how urbanization is seen in the real world. So in this map provided in the source, we can see that it has the future USDA headquarters, the medical city, Laureate Park. It has a whole layout of the whole map. Pros of this source would be that it has actual data containing the amount of cost, the years that things will be built, and then it has descriptions of the different sites. It also has direct quotes from influential people that'll have, it'll build the ethos of the argument and therefore make it more credible. Cons, besides it being more biased towards the positives of urbanization, I couldn't find any. My third source is going to be the Orlando's newest attraction is Lake Nona Medical City. Pros would be that this contained data and it had names of the different hospitals such as Nemours, the VA hospital, and then other research facilities. This is more a in-depth look at the medical facility itself, which is the future of Lake Nona. So from the second source, we were just looking at all of Lake Nona as a whole, and in the third source, we're just looking at the medical city. So it shows how we'll progress as a community. The cons would be that there was a mistaken ranking in this source, but it was noted at the bottom. This source is also more biased towards the positives. My fourth source is going to be how you can apply the innovations from the medical society into real life. So this would be the Witt House. And as you can see, there's innovations like the table and also the lights. And this shows how there can be health benefits implemented from these innovations into real life. This is more futuristic because, as you know, we don't have these inventions in our house right now. But how great would life be if they were? Cons were that these are all just prototypes. We don't know how much they cost, how well they work, how to fix them. And then also this source was just looking at the benefits of these. It doesn't show if there's anything wrong with the prototypes. What questions do you have? Thank you.